One of the most dangerous bombers in the U.S. arsenal has just appeared over the skies of the Middle East. Not for show, but to carry bombs specifically designed to penetrate bunkers and destroy deeply buried underground facilities. And as the B-1B Death Swan bombers begin flying toward Iran carrying bunker buster munitions, it may signal a disturbing reality. Tehran's air defense shield may have collapsed far more severely than many expected. The U.S. military is now believed to be expanding control of Iranian airspace, as B-1B Lancer strategic bombers deployed to an airbase in the United Kingdom have begun loading bunker-penetrating weapons. On the 11th, the U.S. defense publication The War Zone cited a video posted on X by journalist Richard Gaisford showing American B-1B bombers at RAF Fairford in the UK preparing for potential strike missions against Iran. In the footage, multiple types of weapons can be seen being prepared for installation on the B-1B aircraft. In addition to the AGM-158J ASSM cruise missile, one of the bomber's primary strike weapons, the video also shows JDAM bombs equipped with the BLU-109 bunker-penetrating warhead, weighing roughly 2,000 pounds, about 907 kilograms. The footage also shows the rotary launcher inside the B-1B's weapons bay being rolled out for weapon loading. According to the War Zone, the shift toward using JDAM bombs for missions over Iran is a positive indicator that the situation has changed compared to last week, when the United States and Israel had not yet secured air superiority over Iran. Previously, aircraft relied heavily on long-range cruise missiles, which can be launched from hundreds of kilometers outside enemy air defense zones. In contrast, JDAM bombs must be released directly over the target area, meaning the bomber must fly deep into enemy airspace. For that reason, until now, only the US B-2 stealth bomber was believed capable of carrying out large-scale bunker buster strikes inside Iran. As a result, the involvement of large B-1B bombers carrying bunker-penetrating JDAMs is being interpreted as a sign that Iran's radar network and air defense systems may have been significantly degraded, allowing bombers to enter the target area with far less risk of being shot down. The switch to JDAM also carries major cost implications. According to the Center for Strategic and International Studies, CSIS, in the first hour of the campaign in Iran, the U.S. military reportedly spent approximately $3.7 billion. Some analysts believe the cost of the war is rising faster than expected, which could push the U.S. military to rely more heavily on cheaper precision weapons in subsequent operations. Compared to multi-million-dollar cruise missiles, JDAM bombs are dramatically cheaper. The warhead itself costs roughly $1,000, while the GPS guidance kit costs about $38,000, making it an extremely cost-effective precision weapon. Alongside this tactical shift, the bomber force stationed at RAF Fairford has also grown significantly in recent days. Initially, 9 U.S. bombers were deployed there. That number has now increased to 15 aircraft, including 3 B-52 bombers and 12 B-1B bombers. According to the War Zone, once air superiority is achieved, bombers such as the B-1B and B-52 can fly directly to their targets and carry much larger payloads, dramatically increasing both the speed and destructive power of the campaign. One of the most frequently mentioned potential targets is Iran's underground missile city. This refers to a vast network of subterranean industrial facilities where Iran develops and manufactures long-range weapons, while also housing command bunkers and infrastructure linked to its nuclear program. The War Zone believes these bombers will most likely operate over western Iran, where the country's air defense systems have reportedly been severely weakened. Analysts predict that in the near future, B-1B bombers launching from the United Kingdom could fly directly into Iranian airspace and use their massive payload capacity to strike some of the country's most heavily fortified targets.